Hey there YouTube, Chris for the Handy Guard channel here. Just about to go on one of Dave McCracken's new 49ers Gold Club group outings on the mighty Klamath River here with a group of other happy miners and miner wannabes, newbies, old hands. We're going to cross over the Klamath in a raft and towed by a jet boat once we get a shuttle ride up the river. Here's a look at all the happy folks here. How about it, you guys? You ready to find some gold?
Heck yeah!
Woo! You're gonna go down there and get some gold, yeah?
Yeah.
That's the idea. So we're gonna go have some fun, learn how to pan, learn how to find some gold, learn how to prospect. It's gonna be a great day on the Klamath. More later.
See, this type of heat doesn't really bother me.
Alright, so we got our shuttle bus ride up the road. Now we're gonna head down this trail. Me and my partner Alan gonna head down this trail with the rest of the group. Go ahead on, guys. I'll be right behind you. Queue up with the group, get a boat ride across the river, watch your footing. I've been down this path before. I was here in 2013 doing some high banking right over there, crevicing with my crackback. So now we're gonna go across with a group and do some prospecting, panning class, and tomorrow really get to work. Way downriver there. So here's the group all queued up, waiting for their raft ride down and across the river. We're not going to be prospecting there. It's going to be perhaps a quarter mile downriver. We'll take the ride. There's the group all queued up. How about a big cheer for the new 49ers? Yay! Best gold mining club in the world. Woo! If we don't all drown going down the river. Never happened. Oh, we've even got some drone coverage here from one of the videographers for the club. He's got a real cool remote control drone that he is shooting video from, no doubt. And I can't see the pilot down there, so we'll just show you the drone. That's pretty cool.
He's got a pretty much flat bottom.
Hopefully Obama does not hear about that and decide any of us need to be terminated by a drone strike. So we'll get some good aerial footage on the club website or the club Facebook page, which is, the website is gold.com. Put a link to that in the video. Naked eye. They're loading up the raft. They want to get a good load to take it across. We'll give you a better shot when we get down a little closer. And then we're going to have to get in that raft and be taken down the river. I'm pretty sure we'll survive the journey. They're always after me, Lucky Charms. And there goes the raft. And he's got his jet boat coupled to it to help guide. Probably ease him on down. Yeah, gonna get his boat down in front of him and
well, I think it's a
ferry him on down.
Dry with a jet on it.
Oh, it's a jet out there. Yeah, no problem. We can hear that jet boat at full clip trying to come up through the rapids, pulling that raft. So he'll be coming around the corner here in a second. Just so I can remember the names of the two gentlemen I just met, it's Kyle.
Correct.
And Roland, two miners who are here to do the group outing. Got some experience behind them. We're going to get across the river in maybe the next couple of groups. But I hear Dave coming up the river with his jet boat sounding like it's throttling back. We'll see him come around the corner in a minute. Get a ride across. That is, if everyone else can tolerate my narrating, they may throw me in the river. I think they're taking a boat down there now. What do you think, sir? Should they throw me in the river if I don't shut up? Are you okay with it? I'll try to be humorous.
Hey, it's warm as it is, I'd prefer being thrown in the
What's your
river.
name?
All right.
Bull,
Bull. Where are you from, Bull?
Arizona.
Arizona. Is this your first time crossing the Klamath River? Have you done any mining before? Probably in Arizona, right?
Arizona.
Desert mining, dry washing, yeah? Did that myself. Hard work. Boy, hard work. Find any gold?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Nothing
Me
big
too.
Yet, that's what we're here.
Not enough to be worth the effort. Yeah. Let's see if we can break that trend today, eh?
So we're hoping.
Yeah. Bull from Arizona. Good luck, Bull. Welcome. Like I'm the welcoming committee. Wait a minute. I better put myself in my place. I'm just another Indian on the boat. And this lovely couple over here, what's your name?
Anita.
Anita and?
Don.
And Don. Anita and Don, where are you from?
Boardman, Oregon.
From Northern Oregon?
Boardman.
Boardman, Oregon. I'm staying up in near Medford in Rogue River and Grants Pass right now. We're getting ready to mine dredging in the Rogue River.
The Grand Pass.
Yep, you bet. We're gonna go find some gold. Let's go.
Quartz veins in it as well.
That is bedrock.
That's some really twisted, tortured stone right there.
Oh, yeah.
Loading up a boat. We're unloading life jackets.
And so one of the guys on the train told us a story about the rivalry between the Napa Valley and the Sonoma Valley. And he said the wine spots in Sonoma is for